teacher once told me I was the mistress of self-reinvention. It's like having a secret. And nobody but me knows I'm doing it.
I saw her. I saw her from the train. She was with this man.
Just for a second.
Is this her?
To a woman so heartless.
Can you tell me where you were Friday night?
I was in the city, and then I went to visit my husband.
You mean your ex-husband? It's my understanding that the woman who has gone missing was his nanny.
Rachel, I need you to stay away.
So what did you do during those hours that night?
I don't remember. There's some time missing. What happened that night in the tunnel? Tell me the truth.
How could you be so heartless?
You were seen in the area that night.
How could you be so heartless?
Did you murder Megan Hipwell?
No.
How could you be so heartless?
I'm not the girl I used to be.
How could you be so